you're gonna draw it a little bit like this. You gotta fix the left nut, keep going, and you're gonna take a look at that. And say, "Let's go." That's good. Okay, do that. Run that back. Run that back. Let's go.
How sick is this?
Oh, here's your money.
Pulse. Thank you guys.
Oh. Oh, nice. Wow.
Alright, it's gonna be 25.
I wrote down there already. We're on.
I might be mistaken, but I think it's like the biggest surf premiere ever.
So you're in it?
Yeah. It's just like a good group of people of like the best surfers in the world.
It's stacked.
Yeah, and the part I'm in, it's like a grom section with like 20 groms. And
So it's all the best.
yeah,
So then, like, I
good.
guess my question is, like, then why would you be in it? Because he's staying here.
No, because no, I do stink, but
Oh, okay. So they let some stink you.
some
okay.
stink. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm like one. There's like a couple stinky, and I'm one.
Okay, okay, I'm following.
I don't think that. I think I'm the only one actually.
You only stink?
Yeah,
Alright.
I just. But the ender is kind of what you're really looking for, because that is like, whatever. Someone gets like the gnarliest clip, and it ends the movie. Like you like, last thing you see is just like
Yeah.
beauty.
So you want the ender?
Yeah, the goal. I mean, that's the goal. I want the ender. So like, if within my grom section, I'd be super stoked to get the ender.
So you gotta close it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go, sir. Wait, let me clip front with your board.
Amazon, Eastward in Ocean City, Free People, my mom.
Oh, it's actually good at it.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
It looks fun.
Yeah, it looks alright.
Wait, that actually looks sick. Holy cow. Oh, right when the girl's there.
Thank you.
I can tell you this right from the break it back. And all my brothers, if it get his head going to rap. And I'm a holler at grill. Go see no start days, I chill. You can see my greetings.
Head like two K's. When cuz rock the blue out you gaze. Cut no nigga, bitch, I scam a few days. School days, I'm Blu-rays, got ripped and fucked up. In the J's, I'm 2 ways, I scratched and scratched up. I beat that bitch up when I found out she lying. What she think I am? Saving
I make the town move just by walking on your block. Take the keys to the city, but I still pick the lock. Table is short, ride before court. Staring at the judge like, what you talking?
Yo, everybody give it up for fucking Snapt. One. I was just a kid. I was 14.
Did you get it?
Yeah,
A little ender. Wow. 3 at the end.
yeah, dude. I mean,
So stoked. Oh my.
did you see it?
It was cool.
Wait, who got the loudest shoes?
It was really
It
cool.
was so you, dude.
No, you
I
got a
swear.
lot on the flip.
You riled the crowd up.
I was like nervous. I was like shaking to see if I would get the ender, but I got it. I was like,
He got it. He got it.
well, wait, I'll snap 5 times. That's a wrap.